read the complete works of Aristotle. I did read Metaphysics, and it's kind of theoretical, it's the Empedoclean idea that there are four elements, water, air, fire, earth. It's Empedoclean, and it's kind of theory or whatever. That Aristotle goes on about that, about the elements or whatever in metaphysics, and it's what's just named as the book that comes after physics. Physics is nature, the study of nature. After the study of nature, you try to figure out, well, where did all these things come from? Where did fire come from? Where did air come from? Water come from? That sort of thing. And or whatever. It's like why is there something rather than nothing? Why are all these verbs running the world, running the world. We know we know everything. We know the 100 or so elements by how they behave. That's really that's most of what we know about them. It's a verbal kind of thing. So anyway, we know fire, but why from observations of how it behaves. We know water and air. In their behavior. So it is a very dynamic thing. And I did hear a philosopher do a little paper once at a theosophical lodge about how terribly dynamic Plato's ideas were, and that they were filled with motion. It was incessant motion, all kinds of uh, thermodynamic wear on everything. Everything is hot and fiery and breathing and friction and all this kind of stuff. So it was a very interesting talk. It was a little bit poetic, but anyway, this guy studied philosophy in a seminary, I think. But anyway, he it was very good. But anyway, let's see. Uh, there's a sentence here that's not very well formed. I think you needed a comma somewhere. It says, I have threatened something. You tell yourself to think philosophers believe in the supernatural. You tell yourself to think philosophers believe in this. Well, there's a comma in there somewhere. Okay. I have threatened something. You tell yourself. Oh, you're so well. It's not. I guess you would put a comma after yourself, and then you would finish the sentence with a preposition to think philosophers believe in the supernatural. But anyway, I don't know. I think there's too much loose talk about supernatural on the on YouTube. Everybody jumps on that. You know what I mean? But anyway, it means super means uber. Uber nature. Over. Above. Super. Uh, it just means above nature, and everybody thinks, oh, it means, mysterious worlds, the worlds of the demons and the heaven and everything. Heaven, or heavenly is supernal. It's not supernatural. It's supernal. It's, beyond nature, whatever it is. Uh, but anyway, I don't know. Maybe supernal and supernatural are related, or supernature and supernate or something like a supernate, somebody born from above. I think that's wonderful. You should try it. But anyway, I don't know. Am I running out of time again? See, I'm not very good at this. I think my mind runs at a slow rate or something. Doesn't run. Oh my goodness. It's all over with, isn't it? 14 minutes? Well, okay, let me finish. Let's see what happens.